That been hard, man. Oh shit! You gotta say for the camera, man. That bitch whoop.
It's on my side.
I forgot your ass inside.
Damn, y'all. Who said Buddha fucked it up again? Ooh, that's cooked, son. Well, you guys, Boosted Buddha fucked up a car again. Tired of fucking up cars, drunk. And I just got out of jail. Fresh out that slammer, bro. If ain't nobody gonna come get me, Uncle Twin is. All right, get out this motherfucker. Thank you. Boosted Boo, back again, needing a tow. If it ain't one thing, it's another. We always, well, I'm always tearing up something. My ass always tearing up something. His truck tow up too. So we some tow up ass niggas right now. Corn Dog done tow up the Camaro. I done tow up the Challenger. And Twin the tow up the truck. So we just three.
We the tow up crew.
We the tow up crew. And we really be tow up. For real. But I said, look at though. That's bad, bro. But I'm coming back with a video just like this, man. Y'all know it's always some bullshit happening, but we're gonna be positive. A nigga just got out of jail too. So they caught me with my dick in my pants. Shit, they fucked me over. They really forced me to go to jail, to be honest, if you want me to be for real. Cause I could have left this car and say it wasn't mine. Say shit, I seen it and I was getting ready to steal it. But this the problem we have. We don't even have a tire on the rim. Scratched the back again. I had got this side right here fixed, but y'all see. Scratched again. My boy told me it was God. I was finna get ready to drive this whole home because all the tow trucks was playing. And I came out, I did my meditation, my inhale, breathe out, tow truck right here. I'm like, damn, that's God, bro. It's God. But I'm finally giving y'all another video. I hate it have to be like this every time, but I'm gonna give y'all the video, man. I don't know where my papers at to show y'all I just got out of jail. What is it? What's the storage? My just paid to get it out of storage. I got a PR bond, so my bond was free. Well, I still probably have to pay for a bond, huh? After the drug test, man.
Nah, you right.
They go school shooter. How I tell before the school shooter? I bet he looking at me like, yeah, them niggas always talking about Mustangs, but look at his ass now. Oh yeah, I gotta stop cussing. Let me stop cussing. Let me put some bleep over there. And I'm so hungry right now.
Got some chicken from JJ's that was cooked.
When it's sitting and put in park and put in neutral because the seat has a sensor. Yeah, just put it in park again and then put it in neutral again. Okay. You see how it has a sensor stop?
Yeah.
No gas, no tire, 99 degrees out here. Nigga ass is cooked, son. Huh? They ain't booked me for no weed, so they stole it. Hold up.
Well, you guys, I finally made it home after 2 days. Nigga ain't been home in 2 days. Nigga ain't took no shower in 2 days. Nigga just finally made it home. Baby is home. Corey did the same thing to his car, so he don't got rims on his shit no more. The key inside.
That bitch cooked.
Damn. Well, y'all, let me get it off the trailer. It's just me and Moolah in the studio.
I know how it feels